Hey guys, welcome to week 10. It's hard to believe the end of the semester is actually in sight. After this, we've got weeks 11, 12, and 13, which are the last weeks of new material. Week 14 is actually a chance for you to work on the paper, the second paper in class. And then week 15 is the exam. So believe it or not, the end of the semester is in sight here. This week, there's actually two lectures for me. They total about 50 minutes. I think the first one's about 35 minutes. The second one's about 15 minutes. We're going to talk about descriptive statistics. So if you remember from the intro from last week or the week before, whenever it was, one of the things I said is that when we talk about statistics, we sort of are doing it in sections. So we are going to have a week of sort of conceptual introductions, and then a week of sort of application and practice. And so this week is the conceptual introduction to descriptive statistics. Next week will be sort of the application of, and sort of trying our hand at calculating some of those descriptive statistics things. So the reading, believe it or not, for this week is actually the same as the reading for next week, and then it's the same the week after. So for week 12, there's some reading, and that's the same as the reading that's in week 13. That's to sort of give you the most time to, practice the application and calculation skills in weeks 11 and weeks 13. So actually very little new material on the horizon. Not a ton more reading, because it does repeat from week to week. Like I said, the end of the semester is in sight. So readings, lectures, there's a quiz, there's feedback as well. The Dropbox for the single system design paper is at the bottom of the week's material. April 7th was the due date. As always, if you have any problems with that, let me know. Then on Tuesday, April 2nd, at 7 p.m., we'll do our second synchronous meeting. And during that meeting, we will answer any questions about the single system design paper, and then we will talk about the program evaluation proposal. That's sort of the second big paper in this class here. So we'll answer questions about that, talk about expectations, go over it, that kind of thing. So look forward to seeing you all on Tuesday. If you have any questions, before or after, don't hesitate to get in touch. Have a great week, everyone. Thanks.